Well, I did end up putting heat on it, electric heat warming pad, and I managed to get the truss rod to turn another quarter of a turn. So I'm going to let it cool down now and get this stuff off of it, let it cool off, and see if we succeeded or failed. Well, welcome back, YouTubers, and thank you for coming back again. Well, I took the heat pad off. That deck is nice and toasty, man. It's warm. I got it up to about around 130 degrees. That's what it read, or what I read with the temp sensor. It was around 130 degrees. It's cooling off now. I want it to cool off before I take the stress off of it. And that's just going to let the wood harden and stiffen back up. So I'm going to have to wait here about an hour or so before I can take this stuff off. And like I say, I got another good quarter of a turn. I used this little wrench here, this one, because I was able to get in there a whole lot deeper with that. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, there's what it looked like. I used this long shaft end of it, and I was able to get in there a lot deeper, and I took these pliers and held it. And while I could push it in there really tight, it fit tighter than the other wrenches did. And I only went like a quarter of a turn and stopped there, because that stinks. I don't want to mess it up after all the work that's been done to it already. And I think we're good to go. We're going to let it cool off, take all this stuff off of it, and we're going to find out if all this work trying to get back bow in that neck, or at least get it completely level. I'd like to have a little bit of back bow in it, but we're going to find out if we failed or succeeded here in about an hour or so. As soon as it cools off, it's still pretty warm to the touch. You can look at it here while it's cooling. You can see the back bow in that puppy now. Check that out, man. I'm pretty sure the camera, maybe you can see it better if I held it this way. I don't know, I can't see the camera good enough to tell. But there are a whole bunch of back bow in there right now. More than this neck probably has ever had. So we just got to let it cool off now. And take the stress off of it and see where we landed. So I'll bring you back whenever we get ready to do that. Hold on. I figured while the neck was cooling, I'll bring you over here and show you that back bow. Boy, I can really see it there. You can really see it if you look at it right. It's got some nice back bow in that puppy now. There, I can see it. Lots of back bow. I'm standing in a bind here. I'm about to drop the camera. Alright, well, it's been a good hour and a half. Yeah, I think she's cooled down all it's going to. That board, 83, said 81, 79. 80, 81, 79, the neck reads 79 there, 84 here, 82, 79, that's not cooled down completely yet, 77 up here, it's not cooled down completely yet, 83, 86, right in the center along there was where most of the heat was. I don't know how it's that warm, man. We had the air on today. It's still on. It kicks on and off. And well, it was a second day in a row we had 100 degrees outside. So 100 degrees, man. Can you believe that? Wow, it was. That's the hardest. They said record-breaking temperatures. I think we're getting them. I think we're getting them every day. That don't feel hot. It may be a tiny bit warm. 80, 82, 82, yeah, it's cooling off. 82, 81, 81, 79. Okay, what did I say, 82? I'm going to give that 82, yeah. I'm going to give it till this in here gets around 80 before I take it apart. Take these off, I mean. So we got a few more wave filmers. I thought it was ready, man. I had to go get batteries for this, and but to the touch, it feels like that don't feel any warmer in there. But obviously it is. So let's give it a few more minutes. 79 there. 82. Yeah, it's cooling down pretty quick now. 82 all along there, as you can see. I think you can see that. So let's just wait, and I'll bring you back. I thought it was ready. Hold on, I'll bring you back when it is ready. While we wait, a lot of y'all have asked me about the rings that I wear. This ring my mom gave me. If you can see it, it's got a diamond in it. Very small, tiny diamond in it. I don't know who made it. I had another one I used to wear. It had 3 little tiny diamonds in it. It didn't stick up like that. I don't like the way this one sticks up because it rolls around and gets on the inside of my hand. The other one's more flat up here. And I lost it in my sleep, man. And I looked everywhere and can't find it. It's like a hearing earring. Me and my son were messing around with one night. We dropped it in the floor. It hit the floor and vanished. And that was years and years and years ago, and we never did find it. This ring is by Tiffany & Company. It's a very expensive ring. This one probably is too, because that's a real diamond in there. This is by Tiffany & Company, and my daughter gave it to me. I'll hold it up where you can get a better shot of it maybe. I don't know if you can read it or not. It's upside down the way he was looking at it. But it's a Tiffany & Company ring. I can't read the number. It's so small. They're like, I think around, well, last I checked was around $2,500 for that. I don't know what they are now. Anyways, my daughter gave it to me, who got it for me. So I got that one from my daughter, this one's from my mom. And I got a wedding band somewhere that don't fit anymore because I've been married for 40 plus years. But I still got it. It's just a gold wedding band, that's all it is, but it don't fit, it's too little. Alright, I'll bring you back here in a minute. Let me check it while you're here. 79, 79, 79, 79, 78. 77. I think it's about as cool as it's going to get, so let's just go ahead and do this. Get over here and get the clamps off of it. I'm going to take one clamp at a time off. Let's see. I don't know which one I can get to the easiest. Wow. Maybe this one. Well, wait. Which one's closest to center? This one's closest to center, I think. No, this one is. Okay, we'll take this one off first. And there she be. Oh, she was tight, man. Very much tight. I'm just going to turn it up like this. Lift the neck away from that. Leather stuck to the frets again. Boy, that thing's been clamped up, man. I'm telling you what. Those frets are going to have to be wiped off again where I've been handling and stuff. Wow, those are beautiful frets. Well, I can't see, looking at it like this, if we got any back bow or not. So let me grab a straight edge here and see what we got here. Look at that. I'm able to rock. I hope the camera's getting this. I'm able to actually rock the straight edge on there. I'll take a piece of paper here. We couldn't get under here before. Yeah, check it out, man. Wow, yeah. Got some major back bow in that puppy. Look at that. All the way up. Yeah, that's excellent. That is perfect, man. We have succeeded. Woo, the boogity bop. Yes, that's what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted right there. Wow. That's too cool. I need a rag to... Here's one. I just want to polish those frets off a little bit again. Wow, what a difference that makes right there. Just rubbing them off. I knew, you know, for me handling it so much, probably was going to need to wipe these down again. I got to pack this up tonight too. And I'll spare you all that. Wow, we were successful. I didn't know if I was going to get that thing tight enough or not. Now all the owner's got to do is put this back on his guitar. When he strings it up and puts string stress on it, it's going to draw some forward bow back into the thing. As tight as that truss rod is, it ain't going to be very much though. But it is going to draw some back into it. And if it's not enough, all he's got to do is loosen that truss rod under string stress, and Yeah, I think it was just in here. No, it was that one. All he's got to do is loosen the rod under string stress, and he's going to be in business, man. Loosen it until it comes down, until he gets the proper neck relief that he wants. Like I said before, if he watches this video, he probably knows how by now, but if he don't, put a cable on the 1st fret, note down here about the 17th or 18th fret, and read along 7, 8, and 9 frets, and set your neck relief at whatever you desire. This truss rod in this guitar is so tight, I don't think it's going to overshoot. I don't think it'll go too far. I'm going to put some semi-chrome on that 1 fret because I see where the leather stuck to it. You can see there how much force we were applying. And it didn't hurt the fret. It's just where some of the leather stuck to it and I can't rub it off. So I'm not going to hold you for that. I'll bring you back in a few minutes. I'm going to get the semi-chrome. Right here it is. And polish that 1 fret again. It's only on, it might be a little bit on 2 frets. But that's no big deal. I'll go ahead and do both of them. And it'll be all gone, and I'll bring you back after that. Hold on. The humidity is right where this finger is. Look at it. Wow. 99% humidity. That's bad. It's nothing unusual here, though. The humidity stays like that. Usually it's 100%. I wiped the whole fretboard, the whole guitar, the whole neck down, polished it. Look how beautiful this thing is. Look at that peg head, how it shines. And look at the frets, man. Check that out. That's some of the shiniest frets and fretboard. Wow. I can show you what the back of it looks like. I don't want to touch the frets. That's what the back looks like. I polished the whole thing. Now you can see it didn't leave any marks from the clamps. Those are good clamps. You can clamp up stuff and you don't have to worry about leaving battle scars on your wood. You've got wood. So all I'm going to do now is pack it up and get it ready to ship. Right here's the box. This is the box he sent it in. It looks like it made the trip fairly good. And I can tell it's got some wear marks on it. And I'm going to use that same box. And I think it's got enough packing in there already. I'll use the same packing he used. And he was really happy with that other neck I worked on. I don't remember if that was a Stratocaster neck too, I think. Anyways, thank you guys for coming along on this series. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging in there. Thanks to the new subscribers. Thank you old subscribers that's kept it here for years. And thank the patrons, all you patrons, man. Thank all of you all guys for hanging in there with me. Wow, this is just a beautiful neck. I like to say, put it on, install the strings, tune it up to pitch, and I don't believe you can see that backbone in it. You might be able to see it a little bit. A lot of it came out when I took the clamps off. I could feel it. But as tight as the truss rod is now, it's not going to move very much, I don't think, when he puts the string stress to it. Anyways, thank you guys and gals. And I'll see you on a new video on some new project or series or something. Maybe quick clip tips. I was going to get Cue Ball in here for tonight. She ain't in here. I don't know where she is. They cut Zeke's hair today, and that just blew Cue Ball's mind. She thinks he's a different dog. He looks different. He looks a lot smaller. Anyways, thanks for watching. Cheers to you. I'll see you soon.